Guys, let me hear BB Guns for Less. This is the Swiss Arms soft air shooting target. Well, that's the box of it anyway. What we have here is what it looks like in all its glory. Nothing special. Paper target, a net, a zip on the bottom so you can go to the bin, and these are designed to stop BBs going everywhere when you're target shooting. So if you're shooting in your back garden, they're indoors, they're stuck inside this net, not ricocheting around the place. Now, there's not much else to say to it. It's a 17cm target that fits this, which we have a large selection of different styles. It's made by Swiss Arms, keeps your house and garden tidy. There you go, I'm out of BBs. Go see what I've done. Well, I've got most of them are down here, but there is one there and one up there, so not full auto. Here we go. Now I can quite clearly see from back here what that's just done to the target. I think I hit it. Hey guys, so if you like the products that we've shown you, why not check out our web at www.bbgunsforless.co.uk and check out our large range of other targets and BB guns and everything else in between.